Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Dara here and I'm back with a brand new tapping script just for you. This tapping script is the one for if you want to book the best clients, not just clients who pay you well, although that's a given, but clients who respect you, who value you, who appreciate you in every single way. If you want a bit of that in your life, let's tap on it together. So tapping it first on the side of your hand, just repeat after me. How is it possible that I work this much? And yet I still don't make the money I need to get myself out of survival mode. I feel so drained and so underappreciated by all these clients that don't pay me properly for my efforts. The energy I'm spending supporting them is not being matched by the payments I'm receiving. And that's frustrating. Even though this has been something I've been dealing with for a while, and I've been avoiding facing it, I deeply and completely love and respect myself. I accept all the choices I've made, even the ones that haven't served me long term. And I forgive everyone else who's played a part in me feeling this way. Okay, take a deep breath in and out. Tapping through the rest of the points now. I feel like I'm always working. Like I'm always at my client's beck and call. And I have no time or energy left for myself. I feel overworked and underappreciated. Because I'm either constantly working or I'm thinking about working. Yet somehow I barely make ends meet. You would think that my income would grow in correlation to my working hours. But that doesn't seem to be the case. It's not that my clients are bad people or anything. I think they just don't realise what it takes. For me to do what I do for them. It's not all their fault though. I agreed to these rates I'm on. Nobody forced me. But nobody is forcing me to stick with them either. I could raise my rates if I wanted. I could change my payment terms. But part of me is afraid to do that. What if they won't agree to it? What if I lose all my clients? What if I go out of business? What if I fail at everything? Objectively, I know that I'm smart and resourceful. I know that I'm more than capable of finding new clients for myself. I know that there are more than enough people out there in the world who would love to be supported in the way I support my clients. People who would not only be willing, but excited to pay my new prices. I just have to be brave enough to create a boundary. I dream of the day that I can choose to only work with clients who pay me well. To only work with clients who respect my time, my boundaries, and my expertise. To only work with clients who value me in the true sense of the word. What if that day could be today? What if I got real with myself about my current client load? What if I raise my rates where I would like to keep working with people? And started closing out contracts where I don't? So that I can create space for the new clients. The ones who tick all of my boxes. Because those people are out there. I already know some of them. I can think of 3 people off the top of my head who I would love to work with. Not only because they would value and respect me, not only because they would pay me well for my work, but because I'm excited to support them. I'm invested in their successes. And that kind of two-way relationship is what I crave with all of my clients. So I'm making a change now. I am only available for the best kind of client. I'm only available for clients who are compatible with my values. I am only available for clients who acknowledge and respect my working hours. I am only available for clients I get on well with. I am only available for clients who communicate openly. I am only available for clients who take responsibility for their part. I am only available for clients who inspire me. I am only available for clients who pay me generously. And I currently have space on the books. So I'm calling in that dream of a client now. It might be someone I already know. Possibly someone who's been lurking in my audience. Or it might be someone completely new to my world. All I need to know is that they're on their way to me. My role is to continue showing up, being direct with the world, making it clear that I have availability, making it clear the impact of working with me, the shifts I facilitate, and the personal quirks that make it fun. The rest is up to them, and I trust them to do it. Okay, deep breath in now, holding at the top. You'll want to follow this tapping with a nice big glass of water, and you may also want to keep a journal handy just to capture any thoughts that come up as you go about your day. As always, remember that you can revisit this script as often as you would like, and don't forget to hit subscribe before you go so that you don't miss my next upload. I will see you then.